Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a real-life instance of kickback that recently happened to me. Let's get started by taking a real-time look at exactly what happened. As you can see, several factors contributed to make this kickback happen. Let's take a look at a few of the lessons learned.
Lesson 1.
The table saw is not equipped with a splitter or riving knife, which would have prevented the cut part of the plywood from lifting up on the backside of the blade. My saw never came with one, so that's why I don't use one.
Lesson 2.
There's no zero clearance insert on my table saw. This caused that small piece of off-cut plywood to get wedged between the blade and the insert, and in turn get rocketed into my general direction.
Lesson 3.
The small flying piece of plywood startled me. This caused me to lift up my hands, lose control of my workpiece, and in turn move the piece off the fence into the back of the blade and rocketed it into my leg at Mach 11.
These go to 11.
So in short, never lose control of your workpiece. Always use all the safety equipment that comes with your table saw, splitters, riving knives, and guards, and always try to install an aftermarket zero clearance insert on your table saw. So now let's take a final look in slow motion at this moment of glory.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.